Hi friends, welcome back to another My Healthy Sweet Tooth video. Today, I will be showing you how to make double chocolate chip muffins. These muffins are rich, indulgent, and super easy to make as they come together using only a few simple ingredients. So without further ado, let's push up those sleeves and preheat that oven. I just preheated my oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Now what I'm going to do is take some jumbo cupcake liners and line a 6-tin muffin tin because I think we can all agree jumbo muffins are better than regular size. Now for a rundown of all the ingredients you will need to make these muffins. First up, 2 cups white wheat flour, a cup of your plant-based yogurt of choice. I'm using cashew, however coconut or almond also works well in this recipe. 1 cup organic cane sugar, a half a cup of cocoa powder, 1 cup dark chocolate chips, a 1/4 cup of applesauce, 4 tablespoons of water, 2 tablespoons ground flaxseed, a half a cup of milk. I'm using almond milk, but you can also use coconut or cashew or any other plant-based milk, half a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1½ teaspoons of vanilla extract. Without further ado, let's get baking. The first thing that we're going to be doing is combining the water with the ground flax egg. By doing this, we're going to be creating a mock egg. Since this recipe is vegan, the flax egg simply acts as a vegan egg substitute. The recipe calls for 1 tablespoon ground flaxseed to 2 tablespoons water. That's the simple ratio to make the basic flaxseed. Today we'll be adding 2 to this muffin recipe. Once mixed, you can set this aside for 5 minutes to gel. Next, we're going to be combining all the dry ingredients in a large glass bowl. This includes the flour, sugar, cocoa powder, salt and baking soda, as well as the chocolate chips. Now give it all a good whisk to evenly combine everything together. Now we're going to be mixing together all the wet ingredients, starting with the yogurt, the plant-based milk of choice, the applesauce, the vanilla, and it's been a few minutes, so our flax egg has thickened now, so we're going to go ahead and add that as well. Now we can go ahead and give everything a good whisk. Now that we've combined all of our dry ingredients and all of our wet ingredients, we're going to do one final step, which is combining them all together to form the final batter. This batter will be thick, so it might take a few minutes to mix everything together, so stay patient. Now that our batter has been thoroughly mixed, we're going to use a large ice cream scoop to divide the batter between each muffin cup, filling them about 3/4 of the way full, as these muffins will rise a lot in the oven while they're baking. Now these muffins are all set to be popped in the oven to bake for 5 minutes at 425 degrees, and then while they're still in the oven, we're going to reduce the oven temperature down to 350 and bake for an additional 15 minutes. As you can see, the muffins turned out great. You'll know that they're ready once a toothpick comes out clean. Thank you so much for watching this episode of My Healthy Sweet Tooth. I hope you all enjoyed. Please be sure to subscribe to Medfield TV to see more content from me and other brilliant creators. Also be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you think that these muffins look delicious and you're going to plan on trying them out too. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.